How to remove Meta AI off of WhatsApp. So first things first, head over to your WhatsApp application and type and click in onto the three dots right here. You're going to head over to settings and then you're going to head over to chats. So in certain WhatsApp models, they still have the option to basically somewhere around here, they have the option to stop displaying the Meta AI button. However, in the newer versions and the better updated, the most latest updated interface, they don't actually have that, which is a big bummer, right? So you can't exactly turn off Meta AI off of WhatsApp. So what you're gonna do is you will have to basically uninstall this version of WhatsApp and reinstall an older version of WhatsApp from the basic browser and not from the Play Store or Google App Store as so for that purpose, what you're going to do is you're going to click on chat backup. And from here, what you're going to make sure is you back up all of your chats into your Google Drive or your specific Google account. And then what you're going to do is you're going to basically uninstall this version of WhatsApp, right? You click on uninstall, and once you uninstall it, you can choose to keep the app data or you can choose not to. Then what you're going to do is you are going to head over to your browser. And then you're from the browser, basically, you're going to search up and install a version of WhatsApp from the APK menu. Keep sure that you don't install it directly from Play Store or App Store and you do it specifically from the web browser. So guys, this is how you can basically remove Meta AI from WhatsApp. If you guys find this video helpful, be sure to leave a like, comment down below, and also subscribe.